Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the famous waffle stitch. It has great texture to it and it's easier than it looks. What you really need to know is how to crochet the double crochet and its variation from post double crochet. But if you don't know them, just don't worry, I'll show you here. Now grab your hooks and let's begin. So first we need to make our initial chain. Depending on how wide you want your project to be, you have to chain multiple of 3 plus 2 additional chains at the end. Here for my little swatch, I'm going to chain 15, which is my multiple of 3. Then I'll add 2 more and total I'll have 17 chains. And here my chains are ready. Now let's begin row 1. Yarn over, and we have to make 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd chain from the hook. Go in there and make 1 double crochet. So if you don't know how to make the double crochet, after you go into the chain, yarn over, take the yarn, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. And this is your first double crochet. And the row is very easy actually. You need to make 1 double crochet in each chain until the end. So let's begin. Here's the 2nd double crochet. And the next. And so on we continue until the end of the row. Okay, the row is ready. Now let's move on to row 2. Chain 2, 1 and 2, then turn. We're going to start in the very first stitch, this one here, right below the chain. Make 1 double crochet there. Like this. Then it's time for the first front post double crochet. We'll make it around this stitch here. Yarn over is the same way as the double crochet. Yarn over, but instead going here into this stitch, we're going around and behind the body of the previous double crochet. Take the yarn, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, just like regular double crochet. Okay, now we move on with 2 regular double crochet. Here in the back we'll skip this stitch, we already worked in it, so we're moving on to the next. Here's the first double crochet and the second. Now again 1 front post double crochet here around the next stitch. Go behind it, take the yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. And then we just repeat these steps: 2 regular double crochet, then 1 front post double crochet. And don't forget to skip here, don't work in this stitch right behind the front post double crochet. And here the next 2 double crochets. Here again front post double crochet. Repeat the same steps until you reach the end of the row, and I'll meet you there. So when you reach the end of the row and you have left only 2 stitches, just continue. After the 2 double crochet, make 1 front post double crochet here, and then at the last stitch right here, this is the last stitch, 1 regular double crochet. And there you have it. You can see that the texture is starting to show, and a couple of more rows and you'll see the shapes similar to a waffle. Now row 3, chain 2, 1 and 2, and turn. Again, we're going to start here in the very first stitch with 1 double crochet here in the stitch, and then 1 more in the next stitch. Then we need to make 2 front post double crochet around these 2 stitches. So here's the first and the second. Skip these 2 chains at the back, don't work in them because we worked around the bodies of the stitches. And the next step is to make 1 regular double crochet. And now we have to alternate between 2 front post double crochet, then 1 regular double crochet. Here's the first, here's the second, and then one regular double crochet. Okay, I'll wait for you at the end of the row. So when you reach the end of the row, you have to finish it with 2 double crochet, the same way as we did here at the beginning. So I made the last 2 front post double crochets right here. Now yarn over, we'll skip on the back these 2 stitches, and you can see here skipping this and this, and we have 2 more to work into. So in each of these stitches, 1 regular double crochet. And this is the end of row 3. This is the back side of the stitch, and this is the front side. From here you need to repeat row 2 and row 3 until you reach the desired length of your project, of course. So again we go back to row 2 with chain 2, turn, and row 2 we started with double crochet in the very first stitch right here, and then 1 front post double crochet in the next stitch here. and then two regular double crochets, one, two, and one front post. Then two regular, one front post, and you finish the same way with one front post and one double crochet in the last stitch. And this is the stitch, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!